Insta360 1-inch 360 edition is the true king of low light. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Insta360 1-inch 360 edition and the low light capabilities and the settings that I use to be able to capture these great videos. Well, we were very lucky here in Brisbane and Queensland that we have a wonderful botanical gardens that has a light show on throughout this month. So went down there, grabbed the Insta360 1-inch and thought, let's really put this camera to the test and work out the best settings for you guys. The Insta360 1-inch edition is amazing. You know, we've got these huge big 1-inch sensors that just capture all that wonderful detail, especially in low light. You can leave it in auto and auto does a marvelous job because I have done that before. But this time I have fine-tuned it and I'm going to give you the exact settings to use for low light to get the best out of this camera. Okay, so once you've connected your Insta360 1-inch 360 edition, we're going to go over to our camera setting and we're going to go into our manual settings there. We're recording in 6K 30 frames a second. Our shutter speed is going to be 1/120. We're going to keep our ISO at 800 and then we're going to be having our white balance at 5000K. It is that simple, guys, to have it at these settings. Now if you find it that you're a little bit darker, then you might want to push your ISO up to at least 1600, but don't go any further over that because then you're just going to be blowing out and get heaps of noise. If you're finding it too bright, then just bring down your ISO a little bit more. Now you can run your ISO all the way down, but it's going to be darker if you haven't got enough light. So stay in between 400 and 800, but I find at 800 is the absolute best. Alright, we've got the settings, now let's have a look at some more footage. Well, there you go, guys. I hope you have found this video useful. If you have, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Hit that notification bell because I've got some great videos coming up where I'm comparing the 1-inch up against the new DJI Action 4 as well. And I have got an X3 low light video coming too that you don't want to miss out on. If you would like to pick up a Insta360 1-inch edition, there'll be a link below. That link is affiliated and I do get a kickback, but you do get a free gift as well. Everything else that I use, I'll leave links below, maybe even a coupon code. If you would like to collab with me, I'll have my contact detail below. I'll also leave a link to my Amazon store where I'll top picks of what I love on Amazon there. And until next time, guys, I'm Colin from OColin out.